Okay, so going looking at frequency tables. This is the next section of chapter 12 in statistics. So what a frequency table is. Okay, so the word frequency actually means the number of times. So that's what the word frequency means. So it's the number of times tables. Okay, so it's the number of times things happen or things come up or a number of things you count. Okay, so for example, if I just look outside my window now, okay, I'm going to look at the frequency of, let's say, different color cars. Okay, so I'm going to say black car, I'm going to say silver car, and I'm going to say a red car. So let's have a quick look outside. Okay, so straight away, and these are all parked now, not driving by, I see 2 black cars. Okay, so if I'm counting it and you're sitting on the side of the road and I want to count these, one drives past and then another one drives past. Okay, that represents 2. Okay, it's like a tally, it's like a little tick. Okay, I'm gonna quick look outside. Silver cars. Okay, there's 7 silver cars outside. Okay, they're all parked in the car park. So to represent this, what it looks like on a frequency table. Okay, 2, 3, 4. When you get to 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one, and it's kind of like this, to bundle it together, goes like this. So by doing 1, 2, 3, 4 little tallies, little ticks, okay, that's how they represent it. When you get to 5, you do a little line like that. Okay, so that's 5, 6, and 7. So this one represents 2. This represents 7. See, I knew that straight away because it's a nice 5 there plus 2. If you didn't do it like this, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there could be 6, 7, 8. You'd have to really count all the lines. You could miscount them. So that's why you do the crossover on the 5. Okay. And for red cars, there is 6. Okay. There are 6 red cars. So they 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that represents 6. So here, I just did a quick frequency of numbers of cars I could see outside. Okay, just for black, silver, and red, there's 2 black cars. Okay, so that's my tally, and this is my total when I actually add them up. Silver cars, there's the group of 5 and 2, that's 7, and red cars, there's a group of 5 and 1, which is 6. Okay, so I'm going to do a question here because these are nice and easy ones. Okay, so on page 197, I'm going to look at question 6. So question 6 says, okay, I'll put up a screen grab this up. Below is some data selected from the Census at Schools database about the different modes of transport of a group of students used to go to school. So there's those options: there's walk, bus, car, rail. Okay, so you need to sort the data into a frequency table. The first thing you do is you look at all the modes the same way I done up here for the black, silver, and red. So there's walk, there's bus, there's car, there's rail. Okay. And these are always trying to catch you out. They always put loads of information on a table to try and catch you out. So you have to try and count them. So to count all the walk ones, okay, I'm just going to go across in the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 that walk. My next one, my bus. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And my 5 one goes across, so I have 5. My car, again, I'm going to start tallying them. 1, another 1, another 1, and another 1. And that is a total of 4. And then my rail, and I have 1 and another 1, so it's 2. Okay, so then that's your frequency table here done. Sometimes it looks like this. Okay, if you want to use a ruler, okay, it looks like this, especially in exams. Okay, that's why it's called a table, because it's supposed to be in a table. Okay, so same way up here, it's also supposed to be in a table up here. That. Okay, so this would be called your tally. Okay, because that's your tally. And then this would be your frequency. Okay, so then you have to answer some questions. So first thing you have to do is sort into a frequency table. That's that. Done. Okay, let's do another. Okay, it's not messy, but get the job done. So that's sorted into a frequency table now. You do your tallies, and you have to do your tallies. You can't just write the numbers. Next question, B. What's the most popular means of travel? When you have a tally our frequency table, it's nice and easy. We know straight away it is walk. What's the least popular means of travel? We know straight away. Down to our tally, it's only 2. So our least favourite way is rail. What type of data is considered in this question? Okay, so this one is that? Did I see it? No, I didn't. Okay, so what type of data is considered in this question? So we're going back to our categorical, our nominal, okay, and our ordinal, our categorical numerical with our ordinal, nominal, our continuous, our what's the fourth one? Continuous and discrete. Okay, so what this is, are these answered using numbers? Okay, can get confused with a tally table because you say, oh, I have numbers here, but this is walk, bus, car, or rail. So it's not numerical, so that means it must be categorical. So it's categorical, but they want to say, is it categorical? And our 2 subsections categorical are ordinal, so write that one down, and nominal. So is it? So we know it's categorical. It is definitely categorical because you can categorize. You have a walk section, a bus section, a car section, a rail section. Now, ordinal and nominal. Can you order these for methods of transport? Can you say walk is better than bus or bus is better than car? So if I give you those 4, maybe separate, can you order them? And hopefully you know that you can't. So at the end, remember N for no order. So this is a categorical, nominal set of data. Okay, if you can't remember what these are, just go back 2 videos, 3 videos, okay, and have a quick look at types of data again, and have a quick look at your notes. Okay, so have a look at a few of the questions. Okay, I'll put up a few questions. Okay, so on page 197, and we'll go to page, on page 198. Okay, so I've looked at a few questions, so you don't have to do all the questions. I'm not telling you what questions to do, you can pick whichever ones you want, but generally what you should do is you should pick questions at the start, okay, because these are always the easier questions. Maybe question 1 and 2, okay, or if you want to do 2 and 3, okay. You then, if you find them okay, you can jump up a little bit, so jump up to the middle, okay. So the middle might be around question 4, maybe question 5. You don't have to do 2, you can just do 1 question, do maybe question 5, okay. So then maybe on page 198, go up, there's only 1 question there, maybe give question 7 a go. So on the 7 questions, you only have to really do 3 if you want. Do 1 in the very start, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end. And obviously don't do question 6 because I just did question 6. Okay, so maybe just do 3 questions, 1 at the start because these are the easier ones, get a bit harder, and then they get a bit harder towards the end. Okay, so give them a go. If you want to keep going on with the revision exercises, if you get them done quick, go for it.